Hello, this is Carol, and I've been asked to demonstrate how to knit one understrand or strands. So what I've done is I've created a small swatch replicating the shawl, and I have already knit or worked rows 1 through 7. So you can see I've already have some strands started. So now we're going to start on row 8, which is a wrong side row. So we'll turn our work around, and according to the chart, we're going to knit 2 because we want 2 purl stitches to show on the right side row. So knit 1, 2, and now we're going to slip 5 with yarn in back. So our yarn is already back here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now since we want a knit stitch on the front of our work, we're going to purl 1. Okay, make sure you put the yarn in the back and slip 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your yarn forward, purl 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bring your yarn forward, purl 1, yarn in back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to knit 2. Our yarn's already in the back. So 1 and 2. I'll turn our work around. Now we're going to start on our right side row, which is showing our knit 1 under strands. So because of our increase, our gradual increase, we only have 2 strands in this section. So we're going to knit 1, knit front and back, knit 2, and now we're going to knit under strands. Like we only have 2 strands here. What you're going to do is you're going to take the tip of your right hand needle, going to come down and carefully go under those 2 strands, knit this first stitch, take it off the needle, come back underneath those strands, and now we're going to knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, again, and now we have all 4 strands ready to go. Again, you take your needle and carefully come under all 4 strands, knit this first stitch, and come back under, being careful not to snag any other stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under strands, knit the next stitch, bring your needle back under, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under all 4 strands, knit the next stitch, take it off the needle and bring it out from under. 1, 2, and then knit 2 together. So we've completed our knit under strands. So you can see our design. It pulls those strands up and creating a nice little design. I like to call them bow ties. So I hope this video helps, and I hope you're enjoying the shawl. Thank you.